This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad Goan style. First, gather all your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. This easy method brings the vibrant flavors of Goan right to your kitchen. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create this delicious and authentic dish. It's perfect for a light meal or a flavorful side. Let's get started with the essentials. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of tuna, drained well. Next, finely chop 1 small onion, 1 green chili for a little kick, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Don't forget your spices: 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and salt to taste. Start by draining your tuna thoroughly and flaking it into a mixing bowl. Now, add the finely chopped onion, green chili, and fresh cilantro. Sprinkle in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Finish by squeezing in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. These simple steps are key to building the vibrant Goan flavors. Gently combine all the ingredients until everything is well mixed and evenly distributed. Take a moment to taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or lemon juice if desired. This Goan tuna salad is best served chilled. It pairs wonderfully with crackers, fresh bread, or as a refreshing side dish. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Goan-style tuna salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.